different body systems contribute to maintain homeostasis. All 11 body systems are contributing to maintain homeostasis in many different ways. We'll study contribution of each body system one by one. The first one is circulatory system. It contains heart, blood vessels, and blood. Circulatory system transports materials such as nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide, waste, electrolytes, and hormones from one part of the body to another. It also helps regulate pH and temperature of the body. Circulatory system also provides protection against diseases. This is how this system is maintaining homeostasis in human body. Next we have digestive system. It contains mouth, esophagus, stomach, intestines and related organs. The digestive system breaks down dietary food into small nutrient molecules that can be absorbed into the plasma for distribution to the body cells. It absorbs various nutrients and transfers water and electrolytes from the external environment into the internal environment of the body. It eliminates waste products, that is undigested food residues, to the external environment in the form of feces. Next there is respiratory system. It is made up of lungs and major airways. Respiratory system gets oxygen from and eliminates carbon dioxide to the external environment. By adjusting the rate of removal of acid-forming carbon dioxide, the respiratory system is also important in maintaining the proper pH of the internal environment. Next, there is urinary system. It contains kidneys and associated plumbing. This system removes excess water, salt, acid, and other electrolytes from the plasma and eliminates them in the urine along with the waste products other than carbon dioxide. It also maintains the blood pH, volume, osmolarity, composition, etc. Next, there is skeletal system. It contains bones and joints. This system provides support and protection for the soft tissues and organs. It also serves as a storage reservoir for calcium, which is an electrolyte whose plasma concentration must be maintained within narrow limits. Together with the muscular system, the skeletal system enables the body and its parts to move. Next we have muscular system. It is made up of skeletal muscles. This system provides support and protection. It moves the bones to which the skeletal muscles are attached. From a purely homeostatic view, this system enables a person to move towards food or away from harm. Furthermore, the heat generated by the contraction of muscles helps maintain the temperature of body. Next we have integumentary system. This system contains skin and related structure. It serves as an outer protective barrier that prevents internal fluid from being lost from the body and foreign microorganisms from entering the body. This system is also important in regulating body temperature. The amount of heat lost from the body surface to the external environment, it can be adjusted by controlling sweat production and by regulating the flow of warm blood through the skin. Next, there is immune system, which contains white blood cells and lymphoid organs. This system defends against foreign invaders such as bacteria, viruses, and against body cells that have become cancerous. This system also paves the way for repairing or replacing injured or worn out cells. Next, there is nervous system. It contains brain, spinal cord, nerves, and sense organs. It is one of the body's two major regulatory systems. It controls and coordinates body activities that require swift responses. It is especially important in detecting changes in the external environment and initiating reactions to them. Furthermore, it is responsible for higher functions that are not entirely directed toward maintaining homeostasis, such as consciousness, memory, and creativity. Next, there is endocrine system. It contains all hormone secreting glands. It is the other major regulatory system. In contrast to the nervous system, the endocrine system in general regulates activities that require duration other than speed, such as growth. It is also important in controlling the blood concentration of nutrients and by adjusting kidney function, controlling the volume and electrolyte composition of the extracellular fluid. Next, there is reproductive system. It contains gonads and related organs. The male gonads are called testes and the female gonads are known as ovaries. The reproductive system is not essential for homeostasis. Therefore, it is not considered as homeostatic function and it is not essential for the survival of an organism. However, it is essential for production of new species. This is how it maintains the continuity of life. So we can say that reproductive system helps maintaining homeostasis by generating new beings to take the place of species that are dying.